filled with darkness, darkness, darkness. And I stop dreaming, I'm supposed to fill it up with something, something, something. In your eyes, I see the eyes of somebody I knew before, long, long ago. But I still try to make my mind up. Am I free or am I tied up? I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal.